All right, attach that resistance band to something in the home. Grab it. Back up to where you're comfortable. We're going to balance on one leg, okay? So keep that foot nice and flat, and then the other one, just bring it up right next to your side. Bend forward as much as you can, chest up. There's a balance exercise, yet it works your muscles at the same time. So keep your chest up, elbows inward, and pull back. Beautiful. And squeeze that upper back. His neck is straight. His wrists are straight. He's extending out, but not too far. Right before elbow is locked. And he's pulling back all the way, tucking those elbows in. Breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in. Abs are tight, so he's not swaying back and forth. Plus, when your abs are tight, it helps you on the balancing situation. Now, when you're balancing, if you notice, on his left foot, it's slightly bent. When it's slightly bent, it acts as some type of spring, so you can move it around depending on what's going on with the set.